Hi, I chose to review Edmoto, which is a educationally based protected social media site for students. And I chose to do this because I'm quite familiar with many of the other social media tools out there, and because as an elementary educator, I would most likely feel the most comfortable using this type of a tool with my students just because they are so young and it offers a protected and closed environment for them. I could see myself using this to teach students about social media and how to appropriately post on certain such sites in a protected way before allowing them to release them back out into the full social media sites that are out there. Um, Within the site itself, my page is a teacher page, so the students' profiles would look a little bit differently. I've noticed it's a lot like Facebook, and you can type a status, like I'll say, welcome to our class Edmoto site, and it asks you to put the name of a group, so you're posting to a specific person or a group in general. So I'll put in Miss Smith's classroom, and what's nice is you have the option to go to the whole class or just the parents. So I'll just say to the class, and it posts just like a Facebook post would. And it has the timeline just like a Facebook page would. Within the site, you can also manage groups, which is over here on the left side. I could, from here, as part of my classroom, I could manage small groups. So I could divide my students up into small learning groups, and for different purposes I could have them collect materials, they could post their own statuses, so they can attach files, share a link, add from a library. Basically anything that you could do on Facebook you could post to a group like this. What's also really cool about the teacher pages is that you can basically create a paperless digital classroom through the site. So on this tab, you could upload an assignment, and you also have the option to grade it and give feedback right away. And again, it's the same thing. You could upload a file, the link, from a library, same kind of a deal. Moving on to the quiz, you could create a quiz. Again, it gets graded, works the same way. You could also take a poll of your students, and also provide a snapshot of a group that you own. Additionally, you could purchase things from the Edmoto Spotlight store, which I'll bring you to in just a moment. You could manage apps that you connect, and here would be the app launcher. Edmoto connects to Microsoft Office online, as well as a bunch of other things like Google Drive, Dropbox, things like that. It also comes with a planner, which would be great for teachers. You could put lesson plans in. And the snapshot, again, is the same tool as over here. I will just take us over to that Edmoto Spotlight, which you see here. And this is kind of like a Teachers Pay Teachers kind of resource. Different educationally made materials made by teachers are posted here. And you have the option, either some of them are free, some of them are for a small fee, but depending on the type of materials that you're looking for, and you can search by grade level and subject area, you can look for all of these different types of lesson plan ideas, worksheets, videos, whole units even. And a lot of these can be then connected to your library. So within Edmoto, there's a lot of resources available. And again, this is a pretty safe site for students to use. As of yet, I don't have any initial concerns, although as I continue to move through, I'm sure I'll work those out. Thank you for listening.